Happy Friday, 8th graders. We are on the final day of our George Washington research project. I just want to take a look here for you at a couple of reminders to think about as you finish up your project for today. Remember, I posted an instructional video and the project information sheet. It's a slideshow, actually. I posted that yesterday, April 16. So all the instructions are there. Go back to yesterday's post, listen to them, read those directions carefully. As you kind of reflect on your project, your Instagram account, ask yourself, are you being an 8th grade historian? In other words, does your account have details and facts, all that great research you did on Monday and Tuesday? Also, are you showing off your creativity and your effort? Did you put some time into some design and thinking of clever ways of wording things? So show that creativity as well. The ones that I have looked at so far, I can tell you guys are giving great effort. Good job. Also ask yourself, are your slides in chronological order, in the order that they happened according to time? These are due on Monday. I encourage you to do half on Thursday, half today. But I would really strongly encourage you to get them done today so that you have the weekend to do your weekend stuff. Okay, so just don't drag it on. Try to get it done and hand it in today if you can. This note reminds you or alerts you to the fact that we're going to be writing to our nursing home resident again next week for an assignment. We aren't going to write a big long letter this time, just a note or a card this time. So if you could track that down and a stamp, maybe that's something you could do over the weekend. So maybe your mom just has a box of blank cards and you could pull one out of there, or just take a blank piece of paper and fold it in half and half again, and then you've just made yourself a little card. That works too. So try to track that down by Tuesday, a card or a piece of paper and a stamp that you can write to your resident again. Many of you have talked about how you have gotten some correspondence and how much they appreciated it. The nursing home director has emailed me 3 times about how thankful she is. So I think it's something that we should do again. They appreciate it so much. So Chargers, finish up that project and have a great week. I'm so proud of your work. Enjoy the weekend with your family. See ya.